Let me just, snowed in again. Righto, let me just, okay. Marble up shovel, alright. I'll just get this here, pick this up, and, you know what, actually, never mind. This is not happening. Alright, oh, lost the scraper. Where's the scraper? Where? Oh, okay. Oh, frozen, don't break door handle, no. Okay, cool. Alright, oh, a bit of snow inside, that's alright, not too bad. Alright, cool. Here we go. It's gonna be a good day. Oh, no, not the windshield wiper, no. Dead battery, of course we got a dead battery. You know what? I'll just walk, it's fine. I'll just walk.
Always shoveling snow in my boot, and snow in my eye, and icing. Why did I move to this forbidden island?
Walk it off, big fella. Walk it off.
Oh, good now. We found the road. All right. Just take so.
Oh, yeah. Give me a ride. Give me a lift. Oh, awesome. Time to practice my Japanese.
Konnichiwa! Watashi wa Raimundo! Nokete kudasai?
Haha, my Japanese is getting so legit. Wonder what this place is like without the Japan.
It's been hard fun. Where in Japan these days? Fucking flat ass.
You know what? This place, on this tiny island, underneath a giant volcano, is pretty cool, no matter the season. Even if I'm always shoveling snow, and I can barely understand what anyone's saying to me. Can't believe I went through all that. Just for a bit of Lawson's chicken.